Well, we're back in Waterloo, friends. Not gonna really have, we have a very limited window of time. I've got to pick up the forklift immediately. Then I have to have it back by 2 o'clock because they close late. We'll see about that. But anyway, we've got here's our setup. We've got a pallet jack in there and all kinds of straps, and we got our nice trailer here that a good friend of mine loaned me. So we're going for it today. We're gonna bring it home. Big step for Casterman Axe and Tool. Let's get after it. Well, now the saga continues. Anyway, we are headed to Belleville, Illinois to pick up a forklift. And so we're gonna drag that. We dropped the trailer at the shop, and the forklift, we're gonna have to lift this puppy onto the trailer with the forklift. It's really the only safe way. He has a forklift, but the master cylinder is out. It's really the only safe way to get this done is to come straight up and straight down with it. So that's the way we're gonna go, and more later. Oh man, this is awesome. She's moving. God knows when the last time she moved. I guess she moved when she was set down here, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Well, here it goes. Nothing, folks. Well, friends, moment of truth. We're rocking it. Crazy town. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna just go straight and then do like almost 180. Right on. All right, I'm in park, neutral, and I'm off. Probably first time this thing's been up in the air in 20 years or so. Holy smokes, out in the sunlight she is. All right, we're getting there. Neat. This is the dawn of the hour. Okay. We gotta try to do this. It's like home movies. All right, so we're gonna go forward just a little. Easy, boy.
Come straight down.
Okay.
That's okay. It's going to tilt forward a little bit because
So I should not tilt it forward?
no, you can.
Okay.
Because we're on a little slope here, so.
You good?
I think it's on there. If you...
Awesome. All right. So back we go. Let's see, I got my forks are down. My tilt is okay. Brake is off. Back nice and slow. Woo.
All right. I'll guide you in there to make sure we're not going to hit anything.
Okay.
Right about there.
Okay.
Come forward.
Oh, slow down, baby.
Pretty good. I'm gonna hold on. Alright. Good. Lower the porch just a little bit. A little bit more. Alright. Keep coming. Alright, keep coming. A little bit more. Alright, hold it right there. Okay. Now, I may go get some clamps to prevent it from sliding back so it doesn't damage the box.
Okay. Here we go. Moment of truth, friends. I don't think we're going to need chokers. Look at this beast, man. I love it. Freaking love it. This thing's going to make some cool stuff. So, forward. Maybe get, well,
Yeah, I'm gonna move this cribbing.
all right. Good?
Yep.
Is the distance looking okay to get it on the trailer, you think?
I think so.
Cool. Come on, baby. As long as we clear it, I think we can push it with the forks.
Yeah. Okay, hold it. Lower it a little.
All right, I gotta go neutral. I gotta go parking brake. I got to give her the gas or the garlic. Down like a, whoops, that's up.
Alright. Hold on a sec.
Okay. Friends, crazy town.
I'm gonna see if I can scoot it a little.
Okay. Good luck with that. Oh, wow. All right. He-Man.
Alright, lower it a little bit. We might have to take this fitting off here.
Okay.
That's the only thing preventing it, so.
The fitting,
Yeah.
oh,
You can come forward maybe about 3 inches. Still.
I'll try it.
Alright, a little bit more. Hold it. Alright. I think it's gonna
the God's with us today. All right. I am in neutral now.
All right, I'm gonna get the cribbing.
Okay, I'll hold. Okay. Yeah. We'll do your plan.
Before you set it down, I think if I got that car jack under it, then we could maybe pivot the one end and then stick it under the other end.
Very
But I
good.
might have to get some more cribbing real quick.
Okay. Let me give you a hand here.
Oh. That way we don't have to put both of them up there.
Yeah. I gotta get one up there because I gotta take it back. I'm sure I'm gonna leave something here.
It takes a lot, so.
Which way you wanna go? You look okay there. Whoa, boy, that thing is. You know what? We could just pull it with the chain, couldn't we?
Well, that would work too. Actually, hang on. What if we put one of these on each? Ow.
Oh.
On each end.
Yeah.
That way it'll slide on the wood.
Yeah, and then we'll just pull it with
Yeah.
the chain.
Yeah. Yeah, because if you came over on the other side,
Yeah.
we could pull it on one end and then
Perfect.
pull it on the other. Yeah. Okay.
Alright. So, do I need to come forward a little bit too?
You're as good forward as you can get.
Okay. Alright, I got a neutral, I got the brake on, this brake on, give her some garlic.
Okay, I'm gonna get the clamps off before you back out.
Oh man, we are on the trailer.
Yep.
That's insane. Parking brakes on, still in neutral.
Alright, back up. And I'll get rid of these other clamps.
Okay. We're going down just a fuzz.
Yep.
Okay, watch the freaking duplicating wheel. Oh, alright, we're good.
Just straight out.
And slow.
Alright. I'll get rid of those.
It's down. Brace off.
Oh, let me get rid of this. Oh. You're good. You can come in. Oh, right about there.
Well, friends, wish me luck. We're on the way home. Fingers crossed. As good as it's gonna get. I have to go get a tongue lock for the rental trailer because I gotta leave it here. But other than that, we're heading home. Talk to you in a little while. Well, we made it. Didn't move an inch. Thank goodness. There were a few little hiccups on the road and whatnot, but it didn't move at all. So that's a good thing. My landlord, this is my landlord's complex over here. He's kindly allowed me to, since he's all encompassed with chain link and barbed wire, I can just pull in and leave. I don't have to unload anything. So yeah, let me get this guy. Get this guy. And wow, what a nerve-wracking trip. I mean, it definitely, you know, it was funny because this thing probably weighs a little over 2,000 pounds, and the forklift, oh my gosh, the forklift was like crazy. This was so much easier than the forklift. So I got to take the forklift back on Monday. But yeah, we're gonna pull in and dump this guy. Take a big breather and then shoot a prayer up for taking the forklift back on Monday. I have to have it back by what? I have to have it back by noon, I think. I got another half a day. Wow, what an odyssey. It's crazy. Yeah, my shop's just, see that gray container over there? That's where my shop is, sort of right there. So I'm not too far, but this is secure and he's cambered up over here. So this beast, what are we gonna name this beast? It's gotta have a name. Look at the motor on this hydraulic tank. That's crazy. First time I've really seen it in daylight. And we got some hydraulic fluid going somewhere. I guess it's tilted and whatnot. Looks like we're gonna need some hydraulic lines too. Well, the money pit is just starting on this, but no pain, no gain, hey? It's crazy. I can't believe it, it's here. It's here. All right, I gotta get home. I'm 4 hours late. Sorry, honey. I'll make it up to you. I'll see you all later. Talk to you soon. I don't believe I just pulled that off. I don't believe it. It's fine. Wow. Nice.